Hey everyone, I am going to be installing a Nameless Performance 5-inch muffler on my 2012 Subaru 2.5X. It's the absolute base model, so there's no turbo or anything like that. I'm also going to put a receiver hitch on at the same time because you got to take the exhaust off to do that anyway. And I will do a before and after of the decibel level with the stock exhaust and the decibel level of the aftermarket exhaust. And in looking on YouTube, I've seen a lot of videos about this, but the audio recording seems to be generally pretty terrible. So I'm using a GoPro Hero 9 with the media mod with the microphone built into it, so hopefully that gives us a little better sound. And let's see how it goes. All right, with the car warmed up, you can see it's somewhere around 68 decibels. Okay, finally got the exhaust installed, and the exhaust was actually really easy. The hitch, however, was quite a chore. It's later in the day and people are mowing their grass, so I'm going to stop talking, and you can see that the decibels are going to sit around 60 to 65. So keep that in mind, and I'll fire it up.